My fans, where's my mic? Subscribers around the world. I know you guys miss me. I'm back. Because it is your number one, your favorite agriculturist, American Josie Agri. When I be like this now, today is Sunday. Whenever you see me on Sunday like this, know that I'm not working. You don't understand? This is my vegetable farm. And most of my vegetables, they're already moving. They don't move. You see like this one now. This one is doing well. So we need to direct them with this rope. You see, many of us know what is the use of this. So I want to use it now to direct them. You see all these sticks like this now? This is where I want to direct all these vegetables. All these sticks are just in here like this. You don't come and help me. Eh? You don't come follow me, do this one or the other I do so. Put in the next one now.
For this one,
That one. He be like don't sit down for eye.
now this is the tire. For that one,
Which children?
your in-law. Because I'm not sure.
No, this one as it is so now only sound with the play for background. Outside that side I don't talk so now. Everything na sound with the talk for background. Around them like that. My guys, I teach this one work.
I don't know if the camera here near me. You see,
I'm teaching her work.
sexy farmer.
Stop that rubbish.
Sexy farmer.
Come and walk.
As you all can see, I am a sexy farmer. Guys, there is an introduction I need to make. I need to clear the air. This young man is not the owner of this farm. This is my farm. I only left it under his care. While I was away for a couple of months, I traveled to Canada for a business.
Okay, give me machete.
For a business.
Carry this
class.
machete for me first.
So guys, this man is my worker. Yes, he works for me. What do you call him? The farms, yes. He has been okay, the last time I called to check up on him, he was able to produce 4 rubbers of oil, 4 kegs. That's 25 liters, 4. He sold everything and kept the money to himself. And he did not give me any money.
Okay, come
so
do work.
now he needs to work for the money because it is my palm farm, not his.
Ma, please, can you come and work? Thank you very much.
Can you imagine this man asking me, his boss, to work?
Boss, we do one work.
Do you want me to call the cops for you? I'll just call 911. Yeah, that's why I did 911, maybe police. Now Nigeria, they call police. So do you want to channel all these things to one?
Yes, now.
This guy, I told him to pin sticks everywhere.
I don't want that. I don't get that kind of time.
Hey, please do not say that. Don't use that kind of English.
Okay, collect this thing first. Cut your own thing.
This is the side you will give to me.
Good.
It's about to rain. Oh, it's already raining. It's drizzling.
Try that thing
Too
first.
fast, please. I'm allergic to rainwater. Oh,
So then he be giving you why you be tying it.
Hey, don't tell me what.
No, I'll be doing it like that for you now.
I'll be your guy, I'll be your mate. Wait, to all this one. I think you know the record.
It's recording. It's recording.
Sexy farmer, guys. You should be happy you have a celebrity in your farm today.
You now the rain is coming. Let's
Shabba
finish
not
this thing
do
at
me.
once. This way first.
That rain they come. That rain don't reach church side.
Just tie that one at once. Where I will go.
Okay, guys. See you. It's coming. The rain is coming.
I'll see you guys in the next video right now. The rain. You can see even in this video you see that the weather.
The weather climate has changed.
So it is really raining. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Please, if you find these videos informative, educative, and above all engaging, hit the subscribe
I
button.
love you guys.
Turn on the post notification bell.
Amazing viewers. Here is Josie.
And here is Emeka. This is Emeka
And that's
Joseph.
Emeka, my worker. I am the boss.
So guys, look at the way it is. You see?
Yes, the seed will now grow like this and it will fill up everywhere. Then you can start cutting to go and sell. We have so many of them here. So we are going to be working tomorrow. Yes.
I'll see you guys in the next video. It's about to rain, cat and dog.
Cat and dog.
Good and the owners. I'll see you guys in the next video.
No, don't see us in the next video. See us now.
Bye.